So we had a great little snowstorm this past weekend. It actually dropped precipitation in Southern California, which gave us some snow in the local resorts. And the way our schedule is with time, I don't see us going snowboarding again anytime soon. So I figured, hey, you wanna go snowboarding?
Yeah.
We'll go snowboarding. So I guess for all of the teachers and Corona Norco Unified School District, consider this me calling in my students' absences. I hope you understand. Mr. Stigman, I know you'll understand. This rarely happens, California snow, so we need to go. And then El Cerrito.
I missed last Monday too, so on my 1, 3, and 7 days.
She didn't miss last Monday. She thinks she meant this Monday is the Monday she missed. It's actually an ecological trip. We may happen to get some snowboarding in, but we're gonna go check out some new plants and trees up there. And it's gonna be purely educational. We're not gonna have fun. So here's our first lesson, okay? We're gonna learn about altitude. See this? The altitude.
It elevated.
It elevated, yes. It's not a word, but. New board? So quick little lesson here, since this is an educational trip only. So this is snow. It's caused, you don't want to eat that. Evaporation, moisture goes up in the air in the clouds. Clouds come over, precipitation comes down, and when it's cold, the precipitation turns into snow.
I actually didn't know that.
There you go.
I just thought it was raining.
You learned something today. That's why we're here. Educational trip only. You know how disgusting that is?
It was on my board.
Yeah, you know, board whack, all the other crap that's on there, squirrel pee. So I went off this trail, found some deep Southern California powder. I'm gonna get some tree runs. That's how you get really good on your edges. You just sit here and practice toe to heel, toe to heel, toe to heel, toe to heel. Like nails on that chalkboard. Tree run. We're continuing our educational trip that we're on right now. These trees over here are called pine trees. If you have something to share, you can share it with the rest. What do you need to share with the rest of the class?
Ew, that has black all over it.
Oh, at least one of my kids is smart. Anyways, these are pine trees. They have pine needles. They have pine cones. They're in the pine family. Big. That's all. We were gonna call it a day. We got a good half day in. We just wanted to get up here and use some tickets we had, get a few runs in. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's the new board?
Good.
Plus, both girls are still in National Cup and they got games on Saturday, so I don't want them getting hurt and pushing too hard, but we still wanted to get one last trip in. Gorgeous out today, man. It has got to be 40s, 50s, clear, no wind, perfect, no crowds. It's a good time. Glad we came. Everybody had fun.